So now that we've done references for both relative, mixed, and absolute, it's time to get some more numbers in here. So we're just going to pull in some random numbers. You could adjust this as needed, but I'm just going to pull in some random numbers real quick. So for like allowance, I'm just going to go ahead and say like November, you were helping out a little bit more. So your parents gave you $50. In December, they wanted to get some good presents from you. So they gave you 100 that month. They really asked for your help. And then in January, you were busy. They were busy. So you only got 25 that month. Let's say for miscellaneous, like maybe you did some leaf raking or some snow blowing and those kinds of things. So each month you made about $40 from each thing because it's the snow blowing season. And then birthdays or holidays. If you've got a birthday in November, you can give yourself some money, like 50, $100, whatever you would make. My birthday is definitely not in November and I don't get any money for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna put 0. In December, let's say you get some money for the holidays. So you get $100. If you've got a birthday, you can increase that to like 150. January, again, no birthdays or holidays. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 0 there. Now, when I have all of these, I'm going to go ahead and need to total this up because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the money that I made and I'm going to take out all the money that I spent to then calculate this net income at the bottom. So it's really important that I figure out what the total is. So I'm going to go over to row 9 here and I'm going to insert a row. So right click on that 9 again and insert. And I'm going to go ahead and calculate my total revenues here. This is where we're going to start calculating that. Again, we can use an Excel function. So thinking about it, how do you total that up? We're going to use a sum function. So I'm just going to be clicked here. I'm going to go do a sum function. Now, when I do a sum function from up in the ribbon here, it's going to include my anticipated hours. Definitely don't want to add that in because anticipated hours is not money I'm making. It's not revenue I'm bringing in. So I'm going to click in the center of the cell and drag down from B5 through B8 and calculate that out. Now, do I need to recreate that equation for December and January? Nope. We've just practiced with references. We know that B5 through B8 will change to C5 through C8 and D5 through D8 as we fill handle across. So we can fill handle this across to get our totals. I'm going to go ahead and add some different formatting here real quick. Anticipated hours, I'm going to make it italicized. I'm then going to take everything in here and I'm going to go ahead and make it look like money as well. I'm just going to take all of these numbers and make them all be accounting format rather than some currency, some accounting. So I can just click that $sign up there. And then I'm going to make total revenues. I'm going to go ahead and use a cell style for total just to make that kind of stand out a little bit. Okay, so now that I've got that, it's time to start calculating those expenses next.